To forward calls on your iPhone, first open the Settings app and scroll down to Apps. Then scroll down until you find the Phone app. Tap on it to access your phone settings. Then look for Call Forwarding and tap to enter that menu. Once inside, toggle the switch to enable call forwarding. After enabling it, you'll see a field to enter the number where you want your calls forwarded. Type in the full phone number, including area code, carefully. Once the number is entered, go back to the previous screen to make sure the toggle remains green, indicating that forwarding is active. You can now exit settings, and any incoming calls will automatically be routed to the number you entered. To disable it, simply return to the same menu and toggle the switch off. That's all it takes to redirect calls seamlessly on your iPhone without using extra apps or contacting your carrier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone guides and tech tips. Leave a comment if you want faster tips on other iPhone features.